We're here at the Smart Manufacturing demo, and here we're looking at how can we help manufacturers implement Industry 4.0 and smart technologies into their factory. There's lots of opportunities for Edge AI in the factory to help with predictive maintenance of machinery, to help capture sensors and do additional machine learning controls to optimize the factory, and to use computer vision for quality inspection and other use cases. But with all this increased compute needs, lots of manufacturers are looking at their needs across the factory and thinking, it's very hard to update computers and applications today, and it's going to be even harder when we add all these additional 4.0 technologies. So Ken, what are we showing here?
Yeah, so we're demonstrating two use cases with this mini factory demo here. The first use case is a real-time application that's controlling the robotics in a mini factory automation network, where we're demonstrating real-time application that's running on Edge Compute Stack. The second use case here is we're basically inserting a Edge AI use case of computer vision inferencing running on a very small device that can be added to an existing factory. So you can see here there's a CV or computer vision application that's running on this small device, and we're doing inferencing on the supply chain of the mini factory here.
And so Edge Compute Stack running here runs all these operational workloads. It makes it really easy to manage these workloads and these applications and their life cycle. And we do this with an orchestrator called VMware Edge Cloud Orchestrator, or VECO. And it vastly simplifies the tasks of updating software, deploying new edges. And our aim is to make it really simple to add smart technologies into manufacturing so you can focus on what you're trying to do with those technologies.